Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize your Microsoft account for LinkedIn sign-in step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. Navigate to the LinkedIn website. Click on the sign-in button located at the top right corner of the page. You will be presented with different sign-in options. Select the option to sign in with Microsoft. A new window will appear prompting you to enter your Microsoft account credentials. Type in your Microsoft email address. Click the Next button to proceed. Now, enter your Microsoft account password. Click the Sign In button. If prompted, complete any additional security verification required. After signing in, you may see a permissions page. This page will request authorization for LinkedIn to access your Microsoft account. Review the permissions carefully. If you agree, click the Accept button. You will now be redirected back to the LinkedIn website. Your Microsoft account is now authorized for LinkedIn sign-in. You can start exploring your LinkedIn account as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.